Welcome to sureshbhattclasses. We are solving question on LCM. Our question is, find the greatest 5 digits number which when divided by 16, 18, 20 and 24 leaves the remainder 7 in each case. The given options are option A 99,727, option B 99,367, option C 99,487, option D 99,947. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. We can directly solve this question from the given options. As the remainder is 7 in each case, so we subtract 7 from all the numbers first. Option A becomes 99,720. Option B becomes 99,360. Option C becomes 99,480. Option D becomes 99,940. In the given numbers, the numbers are 16, 18, 20 and 24. As one number is 20 which ends with 0, so all the numbers must be ending with 0 after subtracting 7. So all the numbers are ending with 0. Now, as one number is 18 which is divisible by 9, it means that the option which is divisible by 9 must be our answer. So we check the divisibility by 9. The sum of the digits of option A after subtracting 9 is 99720. So 9 is divisible by 9, 9 is divisible by 9, 7 plus 2 is 9 which is divisible by 9. So option A is divisible by 9. Option B is also divisible by 9. Option C 9948. 48 is 12 and 9 are divisible by 9. But 12 is not divisible by 9. So option C is not divisible by 9. So option C cannot be our answer. Option D 99940. The 3 9s are divisible by 9 but 4 is not divisible by 9. So option D is not our answer. It means that our answer must be from option A and option B. Now, how to find the correct answer out of these two? As the number is divisible by 16, it means that the last 4 digits must be divisible by 16. The last 4 digit of the option A after subtracting 7 is 9720. And when we divide it by 16, 16 times 6 is 96. The remainder is 1. We carry 2. Then it becomes 12. 12 is not divisible by 16. We carry one more 0. So it will be 120. And 120 is not divisible by 16. So option A cannot be our answer. But we check the divisibility by 16. So we will divide the last 4 digits 9360 by 16. 16 times 5 is 80. On subtracting 80 from 93 we get 13. We carry 6 which is 136. 136 when divided by 16. 16 times 8 is 128. On subtracting 128 from 136 we get 8 and we carry 0 and the number becomes 80 and 16 times 5 is 80. So option B must be our answer. This way we can find our answer using the property of numbers. When we reach to the answer from the options, then we have not to solve the question and we can directly select our answer in any competitive exams and save our time. Now we solve this question by regular method, because if more than one option satisfies all these conditions, then we have to solve it by regular method. So we must learn the regular method as well. Now I erase all these numbers. Now we will find the LCM by shortcut method. The largest number is 24. The second largest number is 20. The common number between 20 and 24 is 4. 4 times 6 is 24 and 4 times 5 is 20. So we multiplied by 5 so that 24 and 20 both are included in 24 multiplied by 5. The next higher number is 18. 18 is 9 times 2, which is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. So 1 3 is included in 24, 1 2 is included in 24. 1 3 is not included in 24, so we multiplied by 3. Now 16 is 8 times 2. 1 8 is included in 24, 8 times 3 is 24. So we have only to multiply it by 2, so include our 16 in this multiplication. And this is our LCM. 24 times 5 is 120. 120 times 3 is 360 and 360 times 2 is 720. So the LCM is 720. This is the easiest method of finding the LCM if you are quick in calculations. But if you are not very good in understanding the factors and multiplication, then you should go with the regular common division method. So we'll solve it by common division method and finding the LCM. We write all these numbers 16, 18, 20 and 24. We divide these numbers by 2. 2 divides 16 for 8 times, 18 for 9 times, 20 for 10 times and 24 for 12 times. We again divide it by 2. 2 divides 8 for 4 times. We write 9 as it is. 2 divides 10 for 5 times. 2 divides 12 for 6 times. Further we can divide it by 2. 2 divides 4 for 2 times. We write 9 as it is. We write 5 as it is. And 2 divides 6 for 3 times. Now there are 2 numbers divisible by 3. So we divide it by 3. We write 2 as it is. As it is not divisible by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. We write 5 as it is. 3 times 1 is 3. Now 2, 3 and 5 are co-prime numbers. Now we can calculate our LCM. LCM is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 2 is 30. 30 times 3 is 90. 90 times 2 is 180. 180 times 2 is 360. And 360 times 2 is 720. 720 is our LCM. Now we divide the greatest 5-digit number, which is 99,999 by 720. 720 divides 999 for one time. On subtracting 720 from 999, we get 279. We carry 1 9 from above. 720 divides 2799 for 3 times. 720 times 3 is 2160. On subtracting we get 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 7 minus 1 is 6. And 2 minus 2 is 0. We carry 9 from above. 720 divides 6399 for 8 times. 8 times 720 is 5760. Our remainder is 639. We subtract 639 from 99,999 and then we will add 7 to it. On subtracting 639 from 99,999, we get 99,360. Now we add 7 to it, as we want the remainder 7 in each case. So this becomes 99,367, and this is our answer. And from the given options, our answer is option B, 99,367. I hope you have understood all the methods of solving such type of questions. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.